everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do just a quick hair on this girl. We just have like this little strand left for me to color. So these are the Schpirerr Farben pencils that I did a review on, and that we colored one of these flowers with that. So I just want to show you what I'm doing with her hair because it's so stinking pretty, and these pencils are just working so beautifully for hair. So here we go. I'm going to start with my lightest color, which is the Champagne 150, and I'm going to put a light layer on. I'm doing hair. You want to keep your pencils sharp, and these stay sharper longer than my beloved Prismacolors, and so they are just, but they're so soft as well and so pigmented, so they're just working beautifully for her hair. And I love this pink coppery color, so we need to practice it. All right, this is the Burnt Sienna 150. This is my brown that I'm using and kind of my darkest color. So I'm going to put this in the shadows. Right, so we are putting this color over those shaded areas that our wonderful artist has given us.
Mom.
What?
That's Mommy's pictures?
Yeah.
Mommy colored.
Yeah, Mommy colors the pictures.
I know.
I'm coloring this picture. What are you doing?
Mommy's colored the pictures.
Yeah.
Mommy colored it.
Mama colored it.
Where's the remote?
The remote? Is it not out?
Yeah.
You need me to come get it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now we're going to add some red tone. This is our Coral number 200. We're going to go right over that Burnt Sienna and past it a little bit. We're going to always move in the direction the hair is moving and never perpendicular to it. We want nice parallel lines. Do you remember your geometry? Remember what perpendicular means? It's been quite a long time since I had that class. What, Betty?
I can't fix it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm coming. This is why mommies don't film when kiddos are home. But I thought this would be so fast and easy. And we wouldn't have all this, but apparently I miscalculated by quite a bit. I'm just going to take a break between each color here. Okay, I love how that brings that warmth. I am fixing it. Hang on. I will fix it. All right. Then this is number Peach 160. Do the same thing. Go over those previous colors and then fade it out into those lightest areas that we have. But I'm not going to pull it all together yet because I want to go back to that champagne that we started with to really give us that highlight there. So show us where the light is really hitting. Silly little boy. All right. You're hearing Curly today. He just got home from school. He, for those that might be new to the channel, he is 10. However, he has autism, so he's a little cognitively younger than he is physically. He works really hard at school though and has come a long way. He works really hard. So he's just getting ready to play and decompress from school, and he loves to watch movies, and he goes to the library and picks out his movies, and then he takes really good care of them while he has them. He has to check on them every morning and make sure they're still there and that they're in the right case. He's very particular about it, so he's just doing that right now. When he got home from school, he's got to check all of them and watch them and make sure that they're okay. Okay, and then our last color to pull all this together is we're going to go back to that champagne. And I am just going to let this kind of blend it all together, fill it all nice and in for us, giving us a beautiful hair tone with nice shading, nice shadows and highlights. And it's just so much fun to watch her come together. I really like this picture. Not too many things to color, but so impactful and beautiful and fun. And I love her pop of eye color there right in the middle. Guys, she is gorgeous and I am in love. I hope that you find this tutorial, I know it's quick and easy, and I hope you find it enjoyable and useful, and that you can take it into your own coloring and apply it. Even if you don't have these pencils or these colors, you can find something useful in it. All right, you guys, I hope you have an awesome weekend. Find time to relax, de-stress, throw some color around, enjoy some art, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.